Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video segment, I'm going to show you how to replace your temp sensors for your DPF. Now, I hooked up my laptop to it. I'm going to show it to you exactly what I have seen and show you why I'm going to replace those sensors. And I'm going to show you where they are actually located and cover all the bases, what you need to do, because the vehicle is actually currently in reduced power. If you're not a subscriber, just hit that button, become a subscriber right away. Let's get started. This is the read that I have on my laptop. And what I'm looking at is the temp sensor. And that's what I'm going to aim towards. And also, this light here gives me the indication. Makes me feel pretty confident that I need to replace my temp sensor. And of course, you're going to have the engine stop. I'm going to use a T40. And we're just going to remove the panel on the passenger side. We are on the back side of the panel, and sometimes occasionally these bolts can become quite challenging to try to remove. I'm going to use some PV Blaster. After you spray it, you can hit it with a hammer. We no longer need the T40 anymore. We removed the 4 bolts. And what we need to do is remove this step so we can just pull the panel right out from the bottom. And what you need is a 13mm or a 1/2 inch socket to remove 4 bolts and nuts. Well, we got our bottom step out the way. Then we just pull the panel straight down. There we go. I'm going to use 11/16 to remove the fittings. Huh. That was already loose. Interesting. That's loose too. Do you see what I see? Now, this is the other sensor here, temp sensor. And look at this. It worked its way out. Man, that can make a truck go haywire. I was just wondering, was that hand tight? See how tight this is. That's not tight at all. Well, this video is about showing you where the sensors are and how to replace them. But I have doubts if there's anything wrong with the sensor. So this is something you may want to look out for before you actually purchase your temp sensors. Just make sure that they are actually where they're supposed to be. Hopefully this video can save you a lot of money and a lot of time. Interesting. These are the parts that we was going to use before we discovered what we just did. And this is the other part. Of course, you can see the part numbers. And I just want to show you what the parts look like. I would recommend to get both. If your scanner or laptop is telling you to do so, I would just recommend to get both. And all you have to do is just bolt it in place and just replace the fittings there. And the other one, it has 2 lines. Let me move this out of the way. And it has 2 lines, so it's not like you can actually get them mixed up. This one goes in the back, in the rear, and the one with the 3 lines, it goes in the front. But from what I see, we're not going to be using these on this video. We're just going to keep our fingers crossed and see what happens. I'm going to put this sensor back in place and see if that's going to make a difference. Just curious. This is something you definitely want to be aware of. I'm using 11/16. Put it back in place and just make sure they're tight. Let's go back over all of these and just make sure they actually tight, because all 3 of them was loose. Let's start the vehicle. I'm gonna let it get up to operating temperature and then we'll see what happens.
The vehicle actually regained power, and this is something you want to look out for before you spend any money on any sensors. Make sure these fittings are tight. That was the first time for me, and I'm glad it happened on this video. That's something you definitely want to look out for. And again, the vehicle is not in reduced power anymore. It's actually trying to regain itself.
Well, that did it. The exhaust filter light went out, and the only thing I had to do is actually clear out the engine light, and I should be good to go. Well, guys and gals, that's all it took. Sometimes you get lucky like that, and I apologize for not actually following through and replacing the new parts, but gee, just those parts alone was almost $600 savings without even replacing those parts. So sometimes you get lucky, and just check those sensors. Just make sure that the fittings are actually on where they're supposed to be and they are actually tightened down. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell to let you know when I have a video to come out. Take care. God bless.